This is going to be my first time climbing a tree using the Klein Tools tree climbing kit with 2 3/4 inch tree gaffs. I got it from bartlettman.com for $195.95. This is probably one of the cheapest tree climber set with a legit reputation. The Klein Tools was founded in the 1850s. Before I take it out there, I'd like to show how to put it on first. Each gaff has a marker on. It tells you which side goes where. Earlier I mistakenly wore the left gaff to my right shoes. Shaking my head. Prior to wearing your gear. It is the best time to check for loose screws, check for wear and tear. On the manual you're supposed to wrap the belt around the metal sleeve. Instead, I'm sliding the belt inside the metal sleeve and wrapping around the shoes, securing it more firmly. Time to take this bad boy out in the real world. I am going to try it on this dead oak tree. I am not going up all the way. I'm just trying to get a quick feel. Let's see how I fare. Climbing tree for the first time with Klein's climbing tree gaffs. Please don't hesitate to comment as I go through the motion. Doing my baby steps. My brain is telling my hands to hold really tight. Must relax. I could feel the gaffs digging in a little deep on the dead bark. These definitely need some getting used to. But not hard if you try. Giving it a second try. Making a little adjustment. I'm starting to get a feel of climbing with a tree gaff. This is great. However, I do feel a little discomfort right around my inner shin where the top belt is wrapped around. I believe once I master climbing with Klein climbing tree kit, the discomfort will be less. That being said, you can probably insert some kind of cushion to help alleviate. In my humble opinion, the discomfort is manageable, but I will use it as is. For those who are on a budget but looking for a reputable name, I definitely recommend this well-known Klein Tools. But if you got a lot of money to spare, you might as well get the ones that are built mainly for comfort. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment. Peace.